Hey guys, good morning. So I am officially up and kind of woke up early today. It is probably 8:40 or something. I'll put it here somewhere. Anyway, so last night I was cleaning out my beauty room. Not cleaning it out, but like organizing it, cleaning it out and whatnot. And I decided to go on this new venture of mine. That I am going to dip and dabble into acrylic nails. So these were actually done by a lady that I found off of Style Seats. Now don't get me wrong, I like them. I've had them on for about 3 weeks now, but I just feel like they're great, they're good, but I feel like that I could do this myself because I feel like I'm very talented. So yes, I am going to do kind of like a little video showing you my beauty room and how it is now and so on and so forth. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I turned the camera. As you can see, this is all of my clutter that I'm going to throw away. And then there are some other things that need to go elsewhere. But here is when you walk into my beauty room. That's my coat. So this is my beauty room. This is my desk. So I actually moved this over here, and it used to be here. So now this is actually going to become like storage for nails. And as you can see, this is my old nail supply. So I'm actually gonna get ready to go through that, which will be a separate video. And this is actually like a basket that has coats and stuff in it that I need to get out of here. But overall, this is what my beauty room / nail room is going to be. So the plan is to have these drawers filled of all of my nail supplies. This is another drawer. All of these are empty, so that's the plan. And then this is all of my old nail supplies. As you see, I have foil, nail glue, have some acrylic powders, more acrylic powders, a nail wheel. These are regular nail polishes, so of course you don't have to update that. And I have a few of those acrylic paints. I have some makeup sponges and stuff like that. So that's why I got this sitting right here, so that way I can start to organize and whatnot. And also I am going to go to like Walmart or the Dollar Tree and find like little containers to kind of keep my stuff organized. But I kind of just wanted to start this journey with you guys, so that way if you guys are interested in learning how to do nails, you know, anybody can do this. It's not just that you have to be licensed